Unity files for IPO. In this video, I'm going to explain why I believe it's a huge opportunity for early investment. Hi, my name is Miguel Sanchez, and in my ever-growing quest for financial freedom, I'm looking to create more streams of income for myself and others. I invite you to come along for the ride by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Hopefully, one day we can both be financially free. What is Unity? It's a software that combines 3D and code elements to help create games. Right now, Unity is the dominant game engine that powers most of the games people play today. Unity accounts for 67% of current games created versus Unreal, which is the second most popular game engine used today, represents only 12%. But the reason I believe Unity is such a huge opportunity for investors is because it's not only a game engine. Unity can be used for other things. And at my company, Mass Ideation, we have used Unity for much more than just games. You can use Unity for animation. You can use Unity for augmented reality. You can use Unity for virtual reality, which is another reason why I believe the Unity opportunity is massive. Right now, we use the internet through computers or phones. But I believe in the next 10 to 20 years, we will use the internet through glasses. And Apple believes this as well and is working on a pair of glasses that will allow you to use the internet as you walk around the world. Why is this connected to Unity? As a creator of futuristic projects for companies like Louis Vuitton and Chanel, I know the future of the internet is going to be powered by mixed reality. And the number one software right now that powers mixed reality is Unity. Many times in history, software giants have taken a step back, but Unity's lead right now, as it becomes the first company in its sector to IPO, is, I believe, a massive opportunity, and I will be taking advantage of it. I hope you do as well.